Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MNR KRISHNA. For the fifth assignment, we have answers for fourth and fifth questions. That is option B and option B. Those are corrected wrong in NPTEL portal, but these are the correct in given in solutions. So I requested you to submit your feedback on to recheck the answers for fourth and fifth questions in assignment 5. You can submit in solutions page also. If you don't want that marks, just ignore that. And today I'm giving you the answers for 7th assignment. In this video I have only given 5 questions only. Before going to video, please subscribe my channel and support me and hit the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. It is used to quick watch when I upload a new video. Then move to the assignment. First question: which of the following statement is false related to test bench? For the test bench, first option, test bench is synthesizable. We have discussed that in lecture videos. That is, first point is the test bench is not synthesizable, so it is a false statement. So option A is the correct answer. For the next 2 to 5 questions, this is the code given below. Consider the following Verilog modules for 2x1 multiplexer and its corresponding test bench. Here the general Verilog code for 2x1 multiplexer, that is a module mux 2x1. Here Y is the output, A, B and S are the inputs, and assign Y is equals to S conditional statement with A and B. Here this statement gives you that if S is equals to 0, the Y will be B, or if S is equals to 1, S select A, that means the output will be Y is equals to A. Like that we have 2x1 multiplexer works. Then move to the test bench code. Here it is the test bench code, that is module mux 2x1 TB. Here TB means test bench. Here we using A, B and S are the registers, and Y is the wire. In test bench we don't want to define inputs and output ports. That's why we are using only registers and wires for recognize the inputs and outputs. In this, the parameter stop time is 50. Okay, then instantiate circuit to be tested. Here we have instantiated the 2x1 mux here, that is 2x1 M1, Y of Y, A of A. Okay, then initial, stop, time, finish. Okay, then initial begin. Here initial begin means at the time is equals to 0, S is the 1, A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1. From the Verilog code we have the 2x1 multiplex, that is here it is a multiplexer. It is 2x1 multiplexer. 2x1 multiplexer have 3 inputs. Those are I0, I1, I0, I1 and S, and output is Y. Here the inputs are selected by selected input. If S is equals to 0, the I0 will be selected. If S is equals to 1, I1 will be selected. Like that we have 2x1 mux. In this is a general equation, general Verilog code for 2x1 multiplexer. It is a given. It is a code in which is given in assignment question, that is Y is equals to S condition with A and B. Here I1 means A, I0 means B. So let us take as I0 as B, I1 as A. So if at a t is equals to 0, S is 1, A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1. It is given in question. From this the output is, if S is equals to 1, I1 will be selected. I1 means A, so A means 0, so Y is equals to 0. Then at a time is equals to 0, 1 0 1 0. So for the first question, second question, at a time is equals to, at t is equals to 0, the values of s, a, b and y are respectively. This is the format from s, a, b and y. So from this table, at a time is equals to 0, s, a, b and y are 1 0 1 0. That is, I think C is the correct answers for this question. And for the third question, at a time is equal to 0, the values of s, a, b and y are respectively. For a t is equals to 10, after 10 nanoseconds, sorry, here no defined, t is not, t is an nanoseconds, so we take as a 10 means 10 seconds generally. So after t is equals to 10 seconds, what is the values of s, a, b and y? After 10 seconds, it is after 10 seconds, a is 1, b is 0, and here not given s. So we have already s is equals to 1 in previous statement. So in this statement also the s will be the same. Then s is equals to 1, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0. For s is equals to 1, a is selected, so a is 1, then y is equals to 1. So 1101 at a time is equal to 10. 1101, 1101, the b, option b is the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question. At time is equals to 20, what are the values of SAB? Okay, after 10, here at time is equals to 0, here time is equals to 10, here 10 plus 10 means here time is equals to 20, s is equals to 0. Here a and b are not available, but we have the a and b in previous statement, that is a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0 and s is equals to 0. 0 1 0. Here if 0 1 0, if s is equals to 0, the b, that is i0 is selected, i0 means b, so i0 b is selected, b is nothing but 0, so output y is equals to 0. Then at a time is equals to 20, SABY are 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 0, that is option A. It is a suitable answer for that. Next question, at a time is equals to 30, the values of S, A, B and Y are respectively. In given data, in given code, at a time t is equals to 0, t is equals to 10, t is equals to 20, t is equals to 30. At 30, a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1. The s is given in previous statement, that is s equals to 0. So 0 0 1, 0 0 1 means 0 0 1. If s is equals to 0, the b will be selected, so 1 is the answer. 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1. It is a suitable answer for that. And that's it guys, that's it for this video. Submit answers. The time is available, I will give you the next answers also. These 5 questions are belongs to first lecture video on only from 7th week. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share this channel to your friends to subscribe and support me. This is a very happy moment.